Hi friends, subscribe my channel, from my below link. I am going to deliver a review of the product, 110-in-1 magnetic Torx screwdriver set, lengthen multi-precision screwdrivers, for PC phone hand tools kits, with crowbar tweezers. If you are interested to find the product details, and wanted to purchase on discount price, enjoying free shipping, check my below AliExpress link. It has very good customer feedback. It has 4.9 stars out of 5 stars, at the time of my review this product. Let's move to the product. Screw head type, hex, triangle, Torx, Bozidriv, spanner, Y type, slotted, square socket, Phillips, 5-point. Type, screwdriver set. Features, dismountable, double head, non-slip, multifunctional, mini, explosion-proof. Model number, GJ008. Screw head size, conventional. Brand name, Chuusan. Material, chrome vanadium steel. Magnetic, yes. The real buyers are buying this product every moment around the world. So, definitely, you can buy from AliExpress, discount link below. Thank you very much for watching this video.